Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the Pigeon Manual Milk Pump and share a simple beginner-friendly guide for mothers who are using it for the first time. The Pigeon Manual Pump is a popular choice because it is lightweight, portable, and easy to use. Many mothers choose it for home use, travel, or occasional pumping sessions. Before you begin, wash your hands and make sure all the pump parts are clean, dry, and assembled according to the manufacturer's instructions. A clean setup helps create a safe and comfortable pumping routine. Next, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Many mothers find that a peaceful environment makes pumping feel more comfortable. Position the pump correctly and make sure it feels comfortable before you begin. Taking a few moments to adjust the fit can make the session much smoother. Start by gently squeezing the handle with slow, steady movements. There is no need to pump quickly or apply too much pressure. A comfortable rhythm often works best. If milk does not begin flowing immediately, don't worry. It is completely normal for your body to take a few minutes to respond, especially if you are new to pumping. During the session, stay relaxed and avoid rushing. Many mothers find that a calm approach makes pumping easier and more enjoyable. When you finish, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Finally, wash all removable pump parts thoroughly and allow them to air dry before storing them for your next session. Remember that every mother's experience is unique. With patience, regular practice, and good preparation, the Pigeon Manual Milk Pump can become a simple and reliable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.